Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So hi, if you are new here, my name is Ashlyn. I am a teen mom to my son Atlas, and in today's video I'm going to be giving you guys tips and tricks of how to make your newborn, 3-month-old, 4-month-old, 5-month-old, any baby enjoy tummy time more. Because I know personally, as a first-time mom, tummy time was the trickiest thing for me, and it took my son a while to get in tune with tummy time. He hated it. And so yeah, so I'm just going to be giving you some of my first-time mom tips and tricks and some things that I found on the internet. So some things that I found that helped my son with tummy time is we got him a water mat. So we would put his elbows and the upper half of his body on the water mat so that he could be distracted while doing tummy time, and he could be looking at the water, playing with the water mat and the little floaties in the water. The other thing that we did with him was we used my bobby pillow, put his elbows and upper half of the body on the bobby pillow, and he seemed to enjoy that a lot. Also with the play mat that I had bought off of my registry, or I had gotten from my registry, came with a little pillow that you could also tuck underneath their torso. And if you don't have any of those things, you could also just use a towel or a blanket or something like that. But basically just try to find something to help uphold their body and give them a little bit more support so it's not just all on them. Another thing that seemed to help is me placing my hand on his lower half, on his bum. And so that would support him and give him stability while tucking his arms underneath him like this, or kind of like this. You could also do a football hold. Basically, if you don't know what a football hold is, it's where you hold your baby across your arm, so their chest would be here and then their lower half would be here. And I never personally tried that with my son, but I don't know, you could try it and let me know. Another thing that you can do is do chest to chest, so laying your baby across your chest, head up here, and just slowly declining, so then the way you decline yourself more, making your baby have to hold their head up more. Another thing is you gradually increase time. There is no correct amount of time or not, just as long as your baby is slowly increasing that time. Like, even if it's an extra minute or an extra couple seconds, any extra time that your child's doing tummy time helps. And try to do it throughout the day, gradually increasing the time as much as possible. So for a newborn, they should be doing 1 to 2 minutes of tummy time, and for 3 months, it said online that they should be doing a total of 1 hour throughout the day of tummy time. For me, I learned that distraction is literally like the key to tummy time. So for my son, I would play Hey Bear sensory videos on our computer and let him watch that while he's doing tummy time. And me personally, I was so against screen time, especially at this young of an age. I was like, no, my child's not gonna know what a screen is until he's like 12. But that changes when you actually become a mom. It helped him a lot during tummy time because he loves those videos, absolutely loves them. It's also giving them visual sensory. So it helps me, so I can only trust that it'll help you too. Another thing that we would do for distractions is we would put toys, mirrors, and then I would get down on the floor with him and talk to him and stuff like that. And talking to your baby is very good for their development, and so is toys and mirrors. So I will be linking the water mat that I have and the play center that came with the little pillow and my bobby pillow in the description below if you would like to purchase those things to help you out or add to your registry. So just go ahead and be sure to look down there. And if you guys enjoyed this video, I hope you got value out of it. I hope it helps you. And yeah, follow me on Instagram at ashlyn.1823, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.